this is Show Do It Fast, and tonight I'm gonna show you how to fix Xbox 360 console. As you've probably guessed by now, the problem is right there. It's a red light problem. Red is bad, green is good. First of all, we need to make sure it's disconnected from the outlet so there is no electricity, because safety is always first. Now, since the electricity is disconnected from the source, there's a source, it's not there, it's good. So now, as you know, technology likes heat. You know, just so it gets a little warm, hot, and as you know, Xbox 360 is a very good. You know, just like the older systems, they used to be very shallow, I'd say. This one is up to the full potential. You can actually watch movies. There you go, a little smoke, that's all we need. Okay, now the rest of the cable we don't need because it's gonna get in the way, you know? You don't want to get it in the way. Just gonna get it off. There you go. So now it's nice and we can actually get inside. First of all, you have to remove the hard drive because hard drive is very shock absorbent. You know, create a lot of shock. It may damage it and you can actually lose your stuff. So we're just gonna use this little neat tool and slightly, just a little pressure towards the hard drive, you know, not from the hard drive, because if you do it from the hard drive, it's gonna damage its components. Now we need to get inside, and actually Xbox systems don't have any screws. They get glued together right in the factory. The only way you can get to it through this exact corner. You can actually saw it off and get in. Just remember, it's across the button on the other side. Just some aluminum, which you don't really need. It's just there, you know, just for the weight, so your system doesn't slide around. It just stays in one place. So let's just very carefully, we're gonna lift, insert, you need to get inside. So a couple of hits, you know, like this. Then very carefully raise it up like this. Absolutely, one hand you hold your screwdriver, another the Xbox, and then insert it in like this, and it easily goes in. Go ahead and put it. Open it up. See? Nice and easy. See? Very easy. You're in. See? We're inside. Now this is a second defense. Microsoft, they don't want their consoles fixed because they try to rip you off. Microsoft is very bad. Make sure those two sides lift up, and in order to do that you need to create pressure in the middle like this. Okay? See? It's up immediately. Carefully inside. And like this. This is gonna be just a little more up, and There you go. That's all we needed to do. The best way to make sure it runs on green power is to insert some plant. Green, like this. So carefully put it inside. Okay, to make sure it fits. That's pretty good. Make sure, you know, the land is gonna stimulate the plant to grow. Xbox is gonna be green. It's gonna run just on a clean energy. We need to clean it up. Electronic contacts are clean and nice. Slowly close it. So now we're gonna put it back. Safety brick. It's very important whenever you fix Xbox, you need always at the end to put a safety brick. Be careful when you do that. You know, watch out for your fingers. There you go. Safe. It's always good to add a nail. Let's add a nail. The nail in, safety brick on. Put the land on the Xbox. Make sure it gets in, you know, on top. So just put some ground, some land. Make sure it becomes black. Just fucking polish it till it's fucking black. Doing absolutely the best job we can. Okay. And see, now it's black. Keep polishing till it's completely black. And let's see. Voila, that's it. Thanks to our program, now you know how to fix Xbox at home with the green energy. See, it doesn't need any cables now. It runs off simply plants. It's environment safe, trees are safe, everyone is safe. Thanks for watching our program. Send donations. Ебите гусей. Живите счастливо, долго. Пока. Bye-bye.